In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your saved game data in Steam. So we're going to start by opening up the Steam application and click on Steam in the top left hand side. Now click on Settings, in the left click on Cloud and make sure Enable Steam Cloud is turned off and disabled. Once you've done that, close out of this window. Then click on Library in the top navigation, go and right click on the game that you want to delete the saved data from, click on Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Now what you're looking for here is any folders with the name saved. So if you see anything like saved or saved game files, then we're just going to right click on this folder and click on delete. Now if you don't see a folder called saved, then I'm going to show you another way to do this. So what you'll need to do is open up an internet browser and type in Steam Store and press enter. Now click on the top website here, which is the official Steam Store. Now go and search for the game that you want to delete the data of. So I'm going to search for VR Chat, as this is what I want to delete the data from, and click on it like so. Now in the address bar, you're going to see this number in the URL. Now go and take note of this number, as we're going to need this in just a second. Now what you need to do is open up your File Explorer and then just locate where you have Steam saved. So mine's in my C drive in Program Files x86. Scroll all the way down and click on Steam. Then scroll down and click on Userdata, and then you need to double click on this folder here. Now from this folder, you're looking for that number that we just found earlier in the address bar, and this is the folder that we're going to be right clicking and selecting delete on, and once you've deleted this, it's going to remove all of your saved game data. Now obviously, if you have multiple folders here, you'll just need to find the folder with the correct number. Let me know in the comments if you did find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.